Hello students, this is first question exercise 3.1. Let's read. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Here, father Aftab tells to his daughter one condition: 7 years ago, the age, that means father's age and daughter's age could be the 7 times difference, and in future also 3 years from now the father's age and the daughter's age will be 3 times difference. So we have to represent this situation graphically and algebraically. Let us see. Present age of Aftab is X. Now we have to see the two conditions. The first one is 7 years ago and the second one is 3 years from now. Okay, so before we are starting the past and future, first of all we have to take the present age. Now father is telling to his daughter at present, so present age of Aftab is X and present age of his daughter is Y. Now 7 years ago, obviously the age of Aftab, X minus 7. 7 years ago, everyone will be 7 years lesser to the present age. Now, age of his daughter, Y minus 10. So, according to the question, father's age is 7 times to his daughter's age. So, we have to multiply with the 7. Now, X minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49, and the solution after the simplification, X minus 7y is equal to minus 42. This is the two equation, that means linear equation in two variable. So can you understand what is called a two variable? What is the first variable? Age of the father. What is the second variable? Age of the daughter. Now let's go to the another condition. 3 years from now, that means present age of the father X plus 3. The age of the daughter is also the same, Y plus 3. Now according to the question, father's age is equal to 3 times to the daughter's age. Now write down the condition, open the bracket and simplify. We can have another linear equation in two variables. So dear students, listen very carefully. Two variables are there, X and Y. X is the age of the father, Y is the age of the daughter. So two variables to solve what is the age of a father exactly now we don't know. What is the age of the daughter exactly now we don't know. To solve the two variables we need two equations. To solve one variable, we already discussed it in previous video. To solve one variable, one equation required. To solve two variables, two equations required. Here we have two algebraic equations available. Now this is the representation of the two conditions for linear equation algebraically. Let us do this in graphically. Now take the first equation, x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Now I already discussed in the previous video, convert into y form. I converted into y form. So I kept y this side LHS and bringing everything to RHS. Now I got everything, this equation converted into y form. Y is equal to x plus x by 7 plus 6. Y is equal to mx plus c form. Okay, y is equal to x plus some constant. Now after this we have to choose x value to obtain y value. So simple. First observe this RHS. After observing this RHS, what is a simple way to get the values? Don't select x is equal to some 72, x is equal to some 85, x is equal to minus 206. We should not select. Of course you can select, there is no problem, but the process will be longer. Now here we have to select a simple number of x to get a simple number of y, so that we can plot into the graph. Now x is equal to 0, because if I keep 0, this part is going to 0. Therefore x is equal to 0. Substitute in this equation 0, then y is equal to 6. So x comma y is equal to 0 comma 6. We got a coordinate for this equation. Now get another coordinate for the same equation. Y is equal to x by 7 plus 6. So here I choose 7. X is equal to 7. So that 7 by 7 will be cancelled to 1. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So x comma y is equal to 7 comma 7. Now here we have two coordinates. This is the first coordinate 0 comma 6. This is the second coordinate 7 comma 7. Now with these two coordinates, plot them here, plot them on graph. This is 0 comma 6 and this is 7 comma 7. Now what happened? If you join these two lines, you can have a straight line. Okay, now go to the second equation. Now what is the second equation from the question? Y x minus 3y is equal to 6. So take that equation, x minus 3y is equal to 6, convert into y form. Okay, get one coordinate. So you can choose carefully. First if you choose 0, then some term will be eradicate and another value will be available. So x comma y is equal to 0 comma minus 2. This is one coordinate, I got it. And in the same way, x value I took 3 by 3 minus 2, that is 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So here I got another coordinate, x comma y is equal to 3 minus 1. So I got two coordinates, one coordinate and second coordinate. Now plot them here and draw a straight line. That's all. This is the name of this line is x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. The name of this line is x minus 3y is equal to 6. So this is the representation of the first equation, a representation of the second equation in graphical. Okay, thank you.